बच्चों देखिए, today we will discuss excretion. You know well, there are a number of metabolic activities taken place in our body. हमारी बॉडी में बहुत सारी मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटीज होती रहती है. मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटीज कभी तो हम कॉम्प्लेक्स मटेरियल को ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं सिंपल में, और कभी सिंपल मटेरियल्स अगेन combine to form large molecule. So we have learned there are two kind of the processes. Number one, large molecule. Large molecule, suppose protein broken down into small molecules. Small molecules, simple molecules. These are amino acids. छोटे छोटे यूनिट्स amino acids. Second one, again sometimes when we digest the food, protein broken down into amino acids. But our body need the protein. That's why protein is known as body building food. Protein is known as body building food. Why protein is called a body building food? Because muscles, nails are made up of proteins. Got it? Now a number of amino acids combine to form. जब हमको जरूरत पड़ेगी तो हमारी बॉडी क्या करेगी, अमाइनो एसिड से वापस प्रोटीन बना लेगी. Our body will resynthesize the protein. ऐसे बहुत सारे मैकेनिज्म हमारी बॉडी के अंदर होती रहती है. And by these all organisms, such kind of organisms, reactions are known as metabolic activities. हमने पढ़ा बच्चों photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water combine to form glucose molecule C6H12O6. 6H2O, same 6CO2. Got it? In this way, they produce the glucose molecule, large molecule, complex molecule. रिवर्स कर दो, ये तो कौन सी प्रोसेस है, फोटोसिंथेसिस, इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट. नाउ इसको रिवर्स कर दो, रिवर्स किया, नाउ C6H12O6 साथ में यहाँ पर क्या रिलीज होती थी, ऑक्सीजन. कितनी ऑक्सीजन रिलीज होती है, 6 मॉलिक्यूल. नाउ लुक हियर, द ऑक्सीजन, इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन द ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल इज ब्रोकन डाउन. Glucose molecule is broken down into carbon dioxide and water. This process is called as respiration. Respiration and photosynthesis both are opposite processes. These all kind of mechanism also take place in our body, and as a result, a number of harmful materials are produced. A number of harmful materials are produced, and they may spread the poison in our body. These are harmful materials and causing to the poisoning in our body. So बच्चों, इन वेस्ट मटेरियल क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमारी बॉडी से बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा. एंड द रिमूवल ऑफ, तो यहीं पर लिख देते हैं, रिमूवल कर दो या एलिमिनेशन कर दो. रिमूवल और एलिमिनेशन ऑफ waste material, removal or elimination of waste materials from the body is known as excretion. Removal or elimination of waste material from the body is called as excretion. Got it? अब देखिए, पहले देख लेते हैं प्लांट्स में. In case of the plants perform respiration, photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. When they perform photosynthesis, they release oxygen. ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पर बाहर निकलती जाएगी. जो ऑक्सीजन बाहर निकल रही है, this is the elimination of oxygen. How the eliminate of oxygen eliminate? In the form through the stomata. Oxygen eliminate through the stomata. Now carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide during night time, plants perform respiration. Plants perform respiration. तो बच्चों, in case of the plant, when they perform photosynthesis, they release oxygen, and oxygen given out, released from the plant through the stomata. Carbon dioxide, no problem. Carbon dioxide during respiration, night time, during night, they also perform photosynthesis, so they also perform respiration, and respiration, during respiration they release carbon dioxide. That's why we should not go visit the garden during night time. Why? Because plants release carbon dioxide. Now, some of the waste material of the plants, some of the plants can store the waste material in their body in the form of latex, in the form of resins, in the form of gums. So gums, resins, latex, these are the different kind of waste materials which is stored by the plants. Now, this is the excretion in the plants. Now look, excretion in animals. Excretion in animals. So, in case of the animals, what are the waste materials? Waste materials, number one, carbon dioxide during the respiration. Carbon dioxide eliminated by the respiration. During respiration, exchange of gases, carbon dioxide act along with the exhalation release out from the body. Some other waste materials are the ammonia, uric acid, ammonia, urea. So look here, ammonia. Ammonia is released, produced by the ammonia is produced by the breakdown of amino acids. जो अमाइनो एसिड्स होते हैं, अमाइनो एसिड्स का ब्रेकडाउन होता है तो क्या फॉर्म होता है बच्चों? तो बच्चों, when amino acids are broken down, ammonia is produced. और जैसे अमोनिया प्रोड्यूस होती है, अमोनिया is the harmful material, poisonous material for animals. In case of the fishes, look here, in case of the fishes, amoeba, paramecium, which are the aquatic animals. In all the aquatic animals, they release the ammonia directly because ammonia highly dissoluble in the water. So because ammonia is highly soluble in water, it release out through their general body surface. ये जनरल बॉडी सरफेस से बाहर निकलती रहती है. इन केस ऑफ फिशिंग ऑल्सो, यहाँ पर जितनी भी अमोनिया बनेगी बच्चों, दिस अमोनिया एक्सक्रीट आउट, इनको यूरिन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती. दी अमोनिया dissolve in the water and expelled out along with the water through the gills. गिल्स ही यहाँ पर इसका भी वाटर के साथ साथ इसको अमोनिया को बॉडी से बाहर निकाल देते हैं. बट इन केस ऑफ द हायर एनिमल्स लाइक अस, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिलीज आउट, एक्सपेल आउट दी अमोनिया. तो क्या करते हैं बच्चों, हमारी बॉडी में देयर इज अ वन ऑर्गन, लीवर. लीवर कन्वर्ट अमोनिया, लीवर कन्वर्ट अमोनिया into urea. लीवर कन्वर्ट अमोनिया into यूरिया. अमोनिया का किस में कन्वर्ट करता है बच्चों? यूरिया में कन्वर्ट करता है. एंड दिस यूरिया एलिमिनेट आउट यूरिया इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरिन. वाटर का डिजोल्व होकर के ये यूरिन के साथ थ्रू बाहर निकल जाएगा. बच्चों, हमारे पास इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट, टू एक्सपेल आउट द अमोनिया वी नीड too large amount of the water, but in case of the urea, elimination of urea, we need very less amount of the water. हमें काफी कम वाटर की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी यूरिया को बॉडी से बाहर निकालने के लिए. बात समझ में आ गई? तो that's why the animals, terrestrial animals become, they release out the urea. They release out the urea. Why we excrete the urea? Because urea takes very less water in comparison to the ammonia to eliminate. And second one, urea is less toxic और नॉन टॉक्सिक टू आवर बॉडी. यूरिया हमारी बॉडी के लिए टॉक्सिक नहीं होता. गॉट इट? नाउ लुक एक्सक्रीशन इन ह्यूमन बींग्स. ह्यूमन्स. Excretion in humans, it may be of 4 types, as you know. Number 1, as we breathe, we release carbon dioxide. Breathe out, release carbon dioxide. So, one exhalation. Inhalation, taken in air, exhalation. Along with the exhalation, we release out carbon dioxide. When we do aggressive exercises or running, or when we go in the sun, there is sweating on our body. This sweating is also known as perspiration. This sweat also contain urea, salts and water. Test करो उसको. It is sweats salty in taste. Sweat is the salty in taste. अगर कंपोजिशन की बात करें तो कंपोजिशन ऑफ द स्वेट सिमिलर टू द यूरिन के सिमिलर इसका कंपोजिशन होता है. इट ऑल्सो कंसिस्ट सॉल्ट, इट ऑल्सो कंसिस्ट यूरिया. राइट. नाउ डिफिकेशन. द रिमूवल ऑफ अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड मटेरियल. द रिमूवल ऑफ अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड मटेरियल इज कॉल्ड एज डिफिकेशन. Removal of undigested food material is known as defecation. Defecation occurs through the anus. And now urination. Urine also consists 95% water. Urine contains 95% water, 2.5% urea, 2.5% urea, and a number of metabolic wastage like the uric acid and some creatine. A number of wastage are here. So urine contains 95% water, 2.5% metabolic wastage, and urea about 2.5%. A number of salts are there which are present in excess, so they will eliminate along with the urine.